Hey guys, OC Domination 69 here, where we are playing right-click to Necromance. So this is Shady Kid and Shady Mate here. We are playing right-click to Necromance. Yeah, so right-click to Necromance, it's pretty much you have to move your army, and then when you kill other armies, well, right-click to Necromance.
It's really hard to
So, sorry about the background noise, hopefully it's just a whisper for you. I am wearing a headset. Yeah, so eventually, I'm gonna show you the final guy, the highest class. Yep, he's hidden in the abyss. The abyss of nothingness, that's him, and you don't want to run into him unless you have, like, full mages or full smaller versions of him. I'm just gonna...
You can get tiny.
Yeah, it gets good. And the armies start getting bigger and bigger and bigger and harder, and then eventually there's another class. And it's like a larger knight with horns on the helmet. So we are just going to stop talking now.
Just we'll let you sit back in the game and just start.
Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, so
Enjoy.
and that's one of the mages right there. Right there. Yeah, this is not going very well. Oh, we just got more and more. Let's go take down this. We have two of the little guys. That will soon change. We're taking on two armies at the moment. This is not a very good situation. Soon we might have to die. I'm gonna take on these guys because we already killed one of these guys. Otherwise, that guy will just lay dead and we won't be able to necromance him. There we go. We're building back up our army.
If you want to see comment down below.
Yep, and check out our other videos and don't forget to sub. So we're gonna stop talking again, and I'm taking on a mage. So let's hope this goes well.
Sit back and enjoy it.
Okay, we are back instantly. We just killed the mage. Yeah, so we are officially OP for this
We have
amount
one
of time.
tiny guy, if you can see.
Yeah, he's right there. Right there.
One of the mages
Yeah, so now the mages are everywhere, and it's actually quite funny, because we literally just got our first, and now we have 3. So, yeah. So we're gonna stop talking yet again. Hopefully this is the last time, and bye.
Take on the big one.
I don't think this is gonna go well.
Let's give it a try. Go!
Yeah, this is not going well, like I said. Oh, there are more.
How long is going to be?
But if we can just... Oh, that's the 4th class.
We have one tiny guy left.
That's not a tiny guy.
We died. Pretty ironic for a Necromance.
Okay, so we are going to stop our video. We ran it a bit over time and...
Bye.
See ya!